Uh, how are you guys? Again, I'd just like to welcome you guys back to our YouTube channel. Um, so these are the follow-up videos from the first analysis. So I'll go through GBP USD as a follow-up. So I'll start from, I think I'll start from a weekly or a monthly, but as it is, I see the pound dollar is actually in a downtrend. Um, Price has been absolutely going down. This is on in a longer uh, term view, and apparently this month is likely to end bullish or bearish. Sorry. From a weekly perspective, it's the same thing, though we are actually in an area here where I believe is a possible area of resistance or support, sorry, support. So let's go to the daily time frame. Of course, there is room that this pair would likely come into this area and likely move back up. Um, that is as far as the daily. From a 4-hour perspective, we are actually very close now, and this is exactly the move that I think would uh, happen from a daily perspective. Okay, I think pound dollar would likely come low so that it may go up. The extent of the rise maybe there's also a resistance in this area here. So I think price would likely come into this area. Uh, from a 1-hour perspective, it is actually also showing likely the same move, and price would likely come into this area so that it could possibly go up. So as far as what next week's move would likely show, I believe there would be some kind of aggressive moves to the downside so that price can actually be able to shift and go back up. So greater part of next week beginning is maybe likely moves to go down. And roughly maybe on these Tuesdays, we would then get our move uh, for the reversal. So this is my perspective on this pair. Uh, we are also seeing that there is some kind of rejection here uh, to actually show maybe a continuation of the momentum to the downside. But of course, bearing in mind the USD index analysis that I did previously, I'm thinking these moves would be moves to induce people to think that this pair is still going down, and price would actually then shift away from this area. Of course, we actually have a good structure to the downside. Um, but I feel we are actually uh, close to the end of this particular run. And let's just wait and see uh, how this pair moves this coming week. So again, I believe we should have two sides of this coin so that we are open-minded in terms of how this pair would likely react. So I believe a break below this particular area here would then warrant a change in this bias, and we would sell below this price to go further downside. So yeah, as it is, this is the structure. This is how I believe price would move, and we'll just wait and see how they would present themselves this coming week. So the next pair I'll look at is Gbp JPY. So according to the previous analysis that I also gave you, I did mention that price has been in an uptrend, and we can actually see a clear uptrend move, and price has been actually going up. We actually see the steps going up, but again, we can also see a area where there was a high sponsorship of sellers here, selling liquidity. So I believe that price is still going to this area here. Maybe we would then reverse price away from that area to come maybe inside this range. Let me just zoom in so that I can catch this. Okay, I'll just draw a new one. Okay. This is the greater part. So I still believe that this pair is going up, and if it's likely to go down, there would be actually some interactions here or a slight break so that price can actually then come down. So from a daily perspective, of course, you can see we left a nice area here of rejections, and we also left an area where there could be actually possible support. And price would likely come into the area so that we can continue our journey to the upside. We are also currently in an area of resistance. And as we are in the area of resistance, maybe this retracement here would actually happen so that price can actually go back to those highs. This is from a daily perspective. So from a 4-hour time frame, this looks like it's a sound idea, and I'm sure price would likely have this particular structure so that price continues to go up. Of course, it looks like we have already rejected the area. It looks like we have already rejected the area, and price could actually try and now break this resistance level. So from a 1-hour perspective, okay, just give me a moment as I'm trying to read the charts. Okay. So from a 1-hour perspective, we look like we are from an area of rejecting certain prices here. And it looks like price would likely just retrace so that we can continue to the upside. This is how this 1 hour looks like. We would likely target these previous highs. And again, as we target these previous highs, there would be a potential move to then come into this area so that we can change the momentum here. So that is what I see from an hour perspective. I see price at least retracing, coming to the upside, and maybe coming back down so that they can actually properly shift the upside or to continue the momentum. So again, we always have two sides of the coin. If this pair goes to the upside, we would actually potentially have a move to go even lower. But as it stands from these areas here, I still feel this pair could actually go back higher to these previous highs. So I think that sums up the pairs that we are looking at for this coming week. Please do continue to like our videos, share our videos. Also, don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you stay updated, and whenever we post something, you'd be the first one to know that we've just dropped some content. Again, thank you again, guys. Wish you a profitable week. Make sure that you trade cautiously, as this week will actually have a lot of high volatile news. So wish you all the best, guys. Stay blessed.